Hey guys, this is Kyle Bryant from Creative Turf Solutions. We are starting a project out here in Spicewood today, just outside of Austin, Texas. Today is day one. We're starting with leveling the base. The guys are cutting into the hill a little bit and doing a little cutting and doing a little adding on the low side. Later today, we're going to have 16 yards of flex space showing up to really build a strong foundation to level this putting green. This specific green is made for chipping. They have a lot of room out here, so they're wanting to chip the ball, and we're going to be creating a green that's actually a sand-filled green that will be catching that ball. We're going to have 7 cups and then a main cup in the middle with a flagpole and all that, and you'll get to see that later this week as we're finishing up. Today is day one, so look forward to many more videos later this week.